Hi, I'm Phil, and some time ago my backdoor neighbour decided to go for a drive. Unfortunately for him, my garage is a bit rogue and jumped out behind his car as he was reversing, which made this hole in the door spontaneously appear. Now we all know what a hole in a garage door means. Here's a frame from the CCTV before the hole, here's one a minute later with the hole, and sure enough, just 8 minutes after that, cats! Inspecting. It looks like someone's ruined some lampshades. Inspecting. Goodbye. Well, that was inspecting. My next door neighbour messaged me with a somewhat concerned message from my back door neighbour, worried that I might duff him up. Me, lol. Anyway, I did what any normal person would do and looked into getting the garage door replaced or fixed. I've got home insurance after all. Do you have any idea how much a garage door costs? Over £1,000! The thought crossed my mind that, what if I didn't need a new garage door? What if I could repair it myself? After all, it would mean a new tool. So I set about drilling out all of the rivets. When that was done, I used every tool in my arsenal, and by that I mean a few hammers and myself, to bend and knock the door back into shape. And then it was time to crack out the new tool, the riveting gun. Oh yes, the offending neighbour turned up at this point.
Do you do voiceover and stuff for this thing?
Probably. Definitely.
You get anything you want. Like, I'm gonna get you something for the Harsliff course to you. If you think of anything you'd like, drop me a WhatsApp. If not, I'm just gonna buy something and we'll see what happens.
This was filmed over 7 years ago. I'm still waiting for my present, Peter. Once the riveting was complete and after a quick tidy up and a sleep, it was time to inspect my work. And do you know what I saw? Look how faded that garage is! Since I got an automatic door opener, I simply hadn't looked at the door from the other side to see how much damage the sun had done to it. So like a responsible eyesore reliever, I cracked out the black hammerite and gave it a good seeing to. And that's it. The job was actually pretty easy, so if you've had a similar encounter with cars and cats, I'd encourage you to give it a go. Until next time, good luck.